Hi, how's it going? This is a drawing tutorial of how to draw a Mario shell. It's the shells that you shoot at in Mario Kart. I'm going to be drawing this shell, and it's going to be for beginners. So if you're a beginner, if you're a kid, or anything like that, please, this is the place for you. Let's grab a marker. You can grab any marker you want. I like this one. This is a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen, but you can also use a Sharpie. Be careful though, because Sharpies have a really bad smell. I just feel like a responsibility to warn everyone who kind of uses those. So let's get started on this, how to draw a Mario Kart shell. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a hump. Think of it like a hill. Now it's going to come down on the left side and it's going to go up. So for example right here, almost like a wave. So we're going to continue that line right here, the wave, around the corner here as an S-curve. Pulling up right here, and this is going to create, like, think of it like thick Play-Doh or something that's going to wrap around a ball. So think of a thick line. So we're going to copy that exact curve. So think of this as, like I said, a thick line. And then we're going to pull underneath, we're going to throw almost the exact same opposing shape. And it's going to come all the way up. Front right here, it's going to be dark. It's going to have a hole there. A line's going to wrap around because this is essentially what this is. It's a turtle shell missing the turtle, so it's going to be a hole right here for the arm that would have been there. And I'm going to throw thinner lines in a curved manner to show the turning of that form. See, it's curved this way, meaning you know it's rounded around the edge, and you can imagine rounded out around the back. If that doesn't make sense, let me know, guys. Okay. Now we're going to do the turtle shape, the turtle texture at the top. Straight line. Two lines going down that they come apart. So essentially a turtle has, what, about hexagonal shapes or pentagonal shapes at the top of the shell. And they split because they're all stuck together. And that's it. That is good enough for a Mario Kart shell. I want you to, if you can, and you don't have to do this, but I like throwing a thicker line around the border. I think it gives it a cool look, gives it like a sticker look, and I think especially on these Mario characters it really works. But that's just an opinion thing, it's a style thing, it's up to you. Thank you so much for watching, I appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my Gumroad videos. My Gumroad account creates more specific, kind of like, again, this guide, it's aimed at people a little bit, want to be a little bit more hardcore. For example, the video I have on there right now is how to draw a cartoon hand, and I go over the construction of the hands. It's a 30-minute video, by the way, as opposed to some of these are like 10 minutes or less, or 5 minutes. It's a 30-minute video lecture on the parts of the hand, because drawing a cartoon hand is different than drawing a realistic hand. And I go through and I kind of say, you know, kind of what shortcuts you can take, with that, what kind of liberties you can take as opposed to drawing a real hand. Shapes of the fingers, some of the fat pads on the hand overlapping, and I go through all that. And again, that's for only people that are kind of more hardcore, so you don't feel obligated to do that if that's not you. It's totally fine, and that's pretty much it. But go check out that Gumroad if you do consider yourself that kind of person. So, all right, thank you so much. I'll leave the link in the description, and this is where I draw the line, and I will see you guys in the next video.